Hey guys, make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake people make when replacing fuses relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Mercedes E Class. That generation here from year 2010 to year 2016. This is known as generation W212 from year 2010 to 16. And if you need to find guys where the fuse for the reversible emergency tensioning retractor is located, guys, this is practically the seat belt. That's a different name. Stay with us, we'll explain which two fuses you need to check. Now consider this video for entertaining purposes only. This is not a how-to video, because if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbags and seat belts, they can kill you guys or seriously hurt you. Now, quick reminder for any of you qualified and certified to work on airbag system and seat belts, you need to disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour before you work on that system, even checking fuses. Number two, it's very important to know which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect. That way you do not actually, guys, damage modules, computers that can cost you thousands of dollars. We will put a link to a video in the description below that will explain which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first. And lastly, if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we're going, guys, to share that in this video and why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Now, if you have a Mercedes E Class, that generation from year 2010 to year 2016-17, guys, this is the W212, guys. We're going to have a video for every single fuse relay on that car, why things do not work, why we're making this one, because we're trying to save you time and money, guys. Let's say you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, your car does not start, you need to find where your engine starter fuse relay is located, guys, where you can find fuel injection system fuses, fuel pump fuses. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you're back on the road, guys. In addition, we'll share where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way you do not waste your money and time. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make, guys, at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix mechanical, electrical, engine work, guys, body work, a little bit of everything. And we have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars, guys, in free repair videos. Check it out if you need help with that. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So now let's go ahead and explain, guys, okay, what we have here specifically, okay, and which one we need to check. So now we have that generation Mercedes E Class. This is before the facelift, this is after the facelift, but that generation W212. And the reversible emergency tensioning retractor, guys. Okay, the fuse is in the trunk. Open the trunk. On the right side you have a cover right here. If you pull that cover underneath, you'll find a trunk fuse box that will look like this one right here. Now, before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So it is super important, guys, to always test fuses and relays, and something else as well, common mistakes people make. Sometimes you may think that a fuse is good, or you cannot actually see if the fuse is clearly burned, and in that case, guys, you may put the fuse back together and you may end up spending money and time on parts you don't need, and all we had to do is just test the fuse. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse. It takes only a few seconds to find out for sure if it's good or bad. The same thing for relays, guys, okay? Some of those could be really expensive on cars, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below how you can test relays. And for some certain fuses, guys, it's important to disconnect the car battery when removing them, otherwise you can burn the electronics. And for instance, working on airbags, fuses, or anything like that, you need to wait at least 1 hour after disconnecting the car battery. And if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbag system, I will never recommend to do that, guys. But when disconnecting the car battery, guys, okay, common mistake people make, it's important to know which battery terminal you reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn electronics modules. How we know about that? We burn before the traction control module on BMW that cost us $2,000, guys. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below which battery terminal to disconnect first. Check it out for your convenience. So, the reversible emergency tensioning retractor, which fuse you need to check, it's 2 of them. Oh, by the way, but if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, tools, parts for your Mercedes or any car at a really good price, quick shipping, we will put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste money and time. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. We will come in the upper section. Next to every fuse you have a number that indicates that fuse, so it makes it super convenient to find the one that you need. And the fuse for the reversible emergency tensioning retractor, first one is fuse number 50 right here, and then it's fuse number 51, these 2 fuses. Hopefully the video was helpful. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching, see you next time.